Now here comes the fun one. That's one.
Huh?
Alright, two. Now the calipers just come right off like that. And the pads just come out. There's one. I fucking hate this rotor so much. I fucking despise this thing. There's like... Fuck you. Like, it literally was so hard to get off. Like, look at how much PB blaster we use. Like, it's just insane. Oh. But we got it off. We can have a rotor throwing competition. Let's see how far we can chuck it. Fucking hate this.
See how far we can roll it.
Well, now that I like trashed it, I don't know if it'll roll very well. But Jesus, that's so bad. Plus, like the placement of these bolts here to get it off is so bad. I have to look at how long of an extension I had to use. So bad. And that's just one side. It took like an hour and a half. I don't think it should normally take that long. But now I just gotta do everything in reverse. And also don't worry about the other stud that just came out. I'll just put it on later. But oh, finally. Okay, ready? 3.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! Okay, Connor.
Wii Sports?
Yeah.
Wii Sports bowling?
Go. Okay, well, never mind.
Oh, we hit some.
What did you hit? Let me see. Stop. Okay, you hit it. Arthur, watch out!
Wasn't gonna hit me.
Do you want to throw it? You want to throw it?
I got you.
Throw it. Just, yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah, let's go! Getting dubs, bro. Oh no!
Alright, so now we got the new rotors. Putting these bad boys on. Now this would be a lot easier than taking them off, hopefully. Line up the retaining screw. Boom. One rotor on. Now we gotta put everything back together, and this is where the fun comes in, because now we gotta use the brake caliper reset tool that we borrowed from O'Reilly's. Got it? Almost? What are you doing?
I look at people when they're talking.
Oh.
Immediately.
Alright. You're not even close.
There's spider webs everywhere in here.
No way. I didn't know that.
A web, I didn't know.
Go, Connor. Ugh, we finally finished. This fucking rotor was so hard to do because it like kept stripping, and it was just so bad. So we got it and we finished, and now we gotta bed them in.